Guys, whatever you do, do not buy the Nikon D7500 camera. Trust me, you'll regret it, it's just too awesome. First of all, it has a stunning 20.9 MP DX format CMOS sensor. The SnapBridge Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity? Unbelievable. Fancy recording in 4K UHD at 30 frames per second? This camera does it. 51-point AF system ensures you never miss a shot. ISO up to 51,200 natively, expanded ISO to 1640000. Wow! 180K pixel RGB sensor and group area AF for perfection. And yes, it's made in Japan with precision and quality. So yeah, definitely do not buy it, or prepare to be amazed. Just kidding, go grab yours now and elevate your photos.